Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Does your lead generation strategy target inactive users on your website? Our InactivitySensor detects a user's behavior and allows you to re-engage inactive users with a well-timed offer. And it works on all devices, so you can re-engage users no matter how they are browsing. For best results, you'll want to combine our InactivitySensor with monster effects to add visual and audio effects designed to grab your distracted user's attention. Your site visitor likely has multiple tabs open, and too many tabs are impossible to keep track of. If your visitor navigates to another tab, they are likely to abandon your site if you don't re-engage with them. Showing your marketing campaigns at just the right time can win back your disengaged visitors and convert them into leads and customers. So, are you ready to re-engage visitors and win more conversions with well-timed campaigns? Use the code in the description to receive a special discount and create your risk-free OptinMonster account today.